it's numbered on the bottom.
Yeah, but I don't remember which side is which.
That's true. It used to have A and B end on it.
Welcome to the Mill Brook Railroad.
We have a deck. Hold on. Hit the deck. Done.
Yeah, we hit the deck. Okay, now, let's see. Does it line up this way? I don't know. Maybe it do. Maybe it don't. Where's our coupler pins? And I'm using these as a reference. I might have this run backwards. Yeah, it's backward.
Oh dear. There it is. Ow. That's sharp.
For the folks watching at home.
It's not going to line up at all because the whole deck just went slack.
Yep.
Oh, they line up.
Oh, what do you know?
Something tells
All right.
us starting in the middle. I mean, I can hold it if you want to throw it.
No, I'm gonna put it on its upside down.
Yeah.
There we go. Eric is putting the coupler in, sliding it into the slot, and sliding the pin into the slot. He's slid the pin into the slot, shaking the coupler from side to side, and putting the
Cotter pin?
poor excuse for a cotter pin in the hole. Yes, he's done it, folks. And that will not come undone
Until I want it
accidentally.
to. It is time. The wheels. Ugh, this thing's heavy.
It's 40 pounds.
Yeah, for me to be
Here, why don't
swinging
you
around.
place
like
that right there on the bolster. The other half of the bolster.
Yeah. And see, this is how things like this happen.
Hang on a second. Use this.
Ah. One size up, please. I wonder if this is metric. Or maybe it's imperial. We shall see.
It is imperial.
It is
And you're
imperial.
unscrewing it.
I know, I was just trying to make, before cranking it, make sure it was actually going to actually fit. Trixie can do a bit of swiveling. Until the tool that makes things easier shows up. Yeah, I had a feeling that was going to do that.
Don't let it take your arm off.
Yeah. I don't want to tighten it down too much, though. It still needs to be able to turn.
Well, you should probably... It will stop.
Oh, okay. It'll stop before it gets to the point where it can't
Yeah,
turn.
but we're forgetting something. Need grease.
Oh, yeah, if we ever want to get this off again.
Or at least oil.
Where's that double D40?
That's not the right stuff.
Double D40 fixes all. Oh, that's much faster. It's warm.
We'll use some of this stuff.
I'm gonna grease the thread a little bit too.
Probably. Oop,
Ooh.
that was a little too fast. And I got Lubriplate 3V on there.
Oh, much better. Oh, and there goes another drop. Valuable stuff you're wasting there.
At $150 a gallon, yes.
I was not joking. You're about to lose another drop. Oh, such a waste. It's excess. It's going in the thread. Yeah. All right. Should I try and tighten that down just a little bit more?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
I think. Yeah, give it a shot.
There we go.
That's fine. Let's put this up on its wheels and put some decals on it.
Oh, it's heavy again. Oh, I forgot about that.
Yeah, well, we just added 80 pounds.
Yes, we did. Wow. I'll get some.
That's a heavy car.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so we've got the numbers on the ends. We've got the dimensional data. We've even got the build date now. And the E.B.T 105 down that side. Basically the same thing on the other side of the car. E.B.T 105, dimensional data, build date, and the car number on the end of the car. So there we go. That is the 105, all finished, all back together, and all basically looking the way it was built. Except for a few scratches and dings on the deck and the fact that it's got glossy paint instead of semi-gloss. I like the glossy paint. It'll dull down nicely, but in the meantime, it looks kind of nice and kind of shiny. And you know what? There's something good about that. So, well, I guess that wraps up this car restoration, and hopefully you enjoyed this series of videos. I'll put the other videos down in the description, and then you can watch them all either in sequence or in any order you want to. So, thanks for watching. And here it is. It has magically appeared out on the main line. Our E.B.T 105 flat car has finally made it back into service. It was only supposed to be out of service for a week. 3 months later, 4 months later, or it's been 5 months. Anyway, way too long. It is finally back on the track and we can finally run it again. So there we go. So thanks for watching this little video, and if you did enjoy it, hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to watch some of our other videos if you enjoyed this one. And you can join us over on Patreon if you'd like to get early access to videos Patreon.com/Mill Brook Railroad. That's Patreon.com/Mill Brook Railroad, and I guess we'll see you in the next one. Or you'll see me in the next one. Because if I saw you in a video, that'd be kind of weird.